Ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSASA ha ka Southrik Liber kala Dawa na ka sorkar bakan pynkha biang ya ki post thamai bat ban pynkan ria ya ki khat ar hajar sans pa sap huai ngut ki nonghikai SSA na ka State Implementing Society Syakatran Education ka Jylla kat kum ki kendon jong ka RTE SSA kum ju ban pendap no ya ki post ki bathali ha ki lower but upper primary school Habakran Syllad Pathai Kubor, Presiden ke MSSASA uba Aristotle si Rembai, ulaong bakaseng keladap Pakru da Dorkas, Syah Chairperson ke State Education Commission, hakashi tarik urisau arhajar arpulai, Bandawa bantaw ya ki pos ki bathamai, bat banpen kan ria ya ki khat arhajar sans pak sapu ingot ki nonghikai SSA, ki baladun lupa na ka State Implementing Society Syakatanat Education ka Jylla kat kum ki kendoan RTE SSA norms. Ula ongru bakaseng kalayo pediang ya ka jubab na member secretary ka State Education Commission Ambrose CH Marak ubala pentep ba ka commission kalayo pediang ya ka jingtho bat kadang bisyar benia ya ki senjam da ka bapha ya ka ni sya ka subcommittee bakan bisyar benia syu Uba rembai upentip ru baki don kumba arpo tali ki pos ki bathali haki school lower primary but prap kundai tali haki school upper primary. Ngila pha labun tali ki memorandum syaka sorkar Henry haduk menta kampat syamladan kanu ka jubab. Na kane menta kasngi ngilalat banyak kendu ya State Project Director but IT ya kashithi penkan mau ya kaba ula pentikna ba unra ya kanika kam syaka jingakran bat ki bor sorkar ong Presiden ubala benrap ru basyan kin salat banyak kendu ru ya menteri katrat puli puthi ka Jylla urakam sangma banyakran halor kanika man. Nadu kini ki license ki balalit no ki sanction post na kabenta ki head teacher but assistant teacher hapo ki school SSA lower primary but upper primary ha ka Jylla ki la sa thli na mar ki jing no kam ki jing klat but ki wepan but kani kalakta ya ka pule puthi jeng ki khanna hapo ki tu ki school na mar ka jing bam dan nonghikai ong uba rambai ha ka wepat ka benta na kalyang Presiden ka MSSASA ula kenturu ya barok ki nonghikai school SSA bakin persyang ya kababahatam na kabenta ban kentiw ya kajingdon jungi kena school kenang bakan amdan jingkta ya ki school hadien habun.
Today we from the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body we are here to share to all our SSA colleagues regarding the follow-up which we the associations have followed regarding pertaining to two issues regarding SSA teachers. Number one, that is the long pending demand of the SSA teachers to regularize the service of the SSA teachers from State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis. Number two, regarding to appoint in the vacant post in the SSA school, both lower primary and upper primary in the state of Meghalaya. So we from the association, after the state government have constituted the full-fledged Meghalaya State Education Commission, we have come forward to submit a representation from our side on 3rd October 2023 through the chairperson of the Meghalaya State Education Commission, Government of Meghalaya. And regarding our representation, we have received also a reply from the member secretary of the Meghalaya State Education Commission, Sir Ambrose CH Marak, on 27 November 2023, which inform us that the Commission have received our representation and necessary step have been taken from the Commission, and our representation has been forwarded to the subcommittee for further examination of our petition for further necessary action. So regarding this issue number one, we from the association, we would like to request all our SSA colleagues to kindly cooperate with the association as the talk with the government is on. So number two is regarding the vacant post. As you all are aware, that since 2021, there are many posts which falls vacant in SSA school, both lower primary and upper primary. Okay, so since 2022, we have written several series of memorandum to the government, requesting the government to appoint the teachers in this vacant post. But till date, there is no positive response. So today we again follow up this matter with the State Project Director, Sir S. Tembe. We have met him in his office chamber and submit a memorandum, a reminder letter regarding this issue. Because we from the association, we are concerned regarding those schools where there are no teachers, because it has affected a lot. It has affected a lot because for a time of 2 to 3 years without teachers, it's not a matter of joke. So we have discussed with him, and he have assured us to take up this matter with the government. And in this coming days, we will go and also meet the Honorable Education Minister for further discussion regarding this matter. So we would also like to request all the SSA school in the state of Meghalaya, especially the head teachers, as you all know that now it is the time we are taking admission. So please take this serious. Try to get more enrollment in the SSA school so that it will not affect the SSA school in the near future. As we all are aware that in the past few months, the government through the Honorable Education Minister have given a statement that the government may come up with a policy to shut down the school with zero enrollment or single digit enrollment. So we would like to appeal to all the SSA school, especially the head teachers, to please take this matter seriously and try to improve or to increase the enrollment in the SSA school in the state of Meghalaya.